The trial of two British men accused of spying for China collapsed after the United Kingdom's government refused to label Beijing a national security threat at the time of the alleged offenses. Christopher Cash and Christopher Berry were both charged under the Official Secrets Act for sharing information between 2021 and 2023, but prosecutors could not secure testimony confirming China as a quote enemy. The case was then dropped weeks before trial, prompting accusations of political interference, which the government denied, citing that China had not been officially designated a threat during the conservative government in office at the time. Critics argue the decision undermines national security, while supporters highlight ongoing diplomatic engagement with China, PBS has reported. British intelligence agencies continue to warn that China, along with Russia and Iran, represents a major espionage threat to the United Kingdom.